what I did is, this fabric, these are napkins that I bought at Marshall's, and I sew them together, and I left an opening because then I'm going to insert the stuffing for the pillow. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to embellish the stripes, because for me this looks too simple. What I'm going to do is, I have here this yarn, and I'm going to cut 5 strips of this yarn, leaving around 2 inches on both sides. Hold on. Here. It doesn't have to be exact, because then you can trim this at the end. So I'll be cutting 5 strips. So here I have my 5 strips. Now, using this yarn, which is a lighter beige color, I'm going to do a gathering knot. Let me see, maybe here. So what I'll do is I'll get them together. If you've seen my videos before, you see I've showed you how to do a gathering knot. Here we go, you make a little loop, and then you start wrapping the 5 strings of yarn, and I'm going to do this 10 times, and I'm going to lift this little piece outside. So 1, you need to tighten it up, but not too much. So I have 2 charms. Here we go, 3, 4, oops, hold on, 4, just went loose, 4, 5, 6 went loose, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here, insert this through this little loop, holding everything together so it doesn't come loose. It doesn't want to go too perfect. There, you can see we went through the loop, hold it tight, and then this one here, we're going to start pulling. And now I'm gonna trim. Make sure, be careful that you don't cut your main strings. Because then, let me show you what I want to see. And now I'm going to do that again around some place here. If you want, and you want everything to be symmetrical, you can measure it, but I don't want it to be symmetrical. So I just want to eyeball it, and I don't mind if it's you know, like in zigzags or whatever. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna use this cream beigey color, and this yarn is thinner than the other one. So I'm going to be using 10 strings instead of 5. And I'm gonna repeat the same process doing the gathering knot, but with the opposite yarn. Now I'm going to insert a piece of cardboard because I'm going to use hot glue to glue the strings to the fabric, and I don't want it to pass through. So I'm going to put that cardboard in between, and then I'm going to hot glue the yarn. I'm going to close the pillow. I'm going to do some blind stitching on the side to close everything up. And now I'm going to trim all the strings at the sides of the pillow. And here is the throw pillow all completed. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.